Hello, David with SAASY Cloud. So today was quite eventful in the life of a small business owner to wear a bunch of different hats. And today, Amanda and I got to discover why our water pressure was basically dying. Um, yeah, it took a little more time than we wanted, but I started off at like the kitchen sink. It just wasn't working. We adjusted the water pressure coming into the house a little bit. We went through and we took air bubbles out of the entire system, which means like turning off your main water main and then turning on, turning off all the different spigots and showers and tubs across your entire house from high elevation to low and low elevation to high to get all the air bubbles out. Anyways, we went through all that. It was great. It didn't solve the problem. But then what was really weird is up in our bathroom in the tub, jacuzzi. It's not really jacuzzi, but it'd be nice to have jacuzzi. In the tub, there were these little like yellow beads coming out that almost looked oily. It was absolutely disgusting. So I was freaking out, thinking that maybe we're like getting weird stuff from the like Waconia water tower or something. It was like there's something sketchy going on. A little more Googling, a little more ChatGPT, and realize that it's actually part of the filtration system in our water softener. So very long story short, bringing it full circle, all these beads came out, these little tiny beads, almost like sand, and it clogged all of our sinks. Basically anything that had like a mesh on it, like a one of those aerators for your sinks. So, and for shower heads. So went around, took off every shower head, every sink aerator, cleaned out all these little tiny beads, got it all taken care of, all cleaned out. And yeah, so that's been the day. Instead of working on websites or Google licensing or setting up Pipedrive CRM like I normally am. So that's what today was. It was wild. So our next step is we turned off the water, the bypass valve for the water softener. Gonna get a new water softener so that we can have nice soft water for our hair, which is still there, which is good. And keep cranking. So another day. My dad would say another day, another dollar. But anyways, hope that was something that doesn't happen to you. But yeah, that's a day in the life of a small business owner. And hopefully the next time that we chat, it'll be about like something with like websites or SEO or doing something that's kind of more in our wheelhouse. See ya. Bye.